Okay, 63. F of x defined to be x minus x, this one. Okay. How many graph has horizontal tangent line? How many points of value different x? Okay. So tangent, horizontal. So horizontal means it's flat. So that means f prime is 0. And so we need to solve that how many f of prime is 0. How many critical points? So nothing special. We just do the derivative brute force. To be 0, so we have 1 plus x minus 2x plus 2 over x 3. Okay, so we solve this. We have 1 minus 2x squared plus 2 over x squared equals 0. So we have x to the we have x cube x squared times 2x to the 4th times 2 plus 2 equals 0. So we need to solve this. So we have 1 plus 17 divided by 2. But since x is positive, so we only have two solutions. Okay, so it looks like the number is 2. The number is 2. But forget about that. But remember that when we do the derivative, the x need to be non-zero because f of x is defined when x equals non-zero. It's this kind of form. So we need to check that. How about f prime 0? And then this is something like very tricky that f prime 0 just limited h equals 0 h f of h minus f0. So basically we have h minus x h minus 2 divide 0 is 0 divided by this. So we need to find the limit of this term. Okay, so limit h equals 0 times exponential h squared times limit h equals 0 times exponential 1 minus h squared. So when h becomes 0, then this is 0. So this term is 1. Okay. How about this one? The second one. When h equals 0, this is minus infinity. So this term is 0. So this term is 0. So that we have f prime of 0 and f prime plus minus something I forgot is 0. So we have 3 points. 3 points. So the answer is D. Okay. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.